And in the last couple years, a lot of players are working on the solutions for either liquid cooling or water coolings. And What's my team have been working with them on various application scenarios. The water cooling and liquid cooling can provide much higher the hash rate density than air cooling. We give you an example, like a 20 feet containers can host 1.5 megawatt and providing around like 38 petahash to 50 petahash, depending on the power efficiency of the miners. This is the first. Second, it can also provide more stable operating environment. So that can provide a stable hash rate, better power efficiency, and also the longer mining life. Furthermore, the water cooling or liquid cooling can provide bigger space for overclocking, which is especially in a good in the mining boom, the BTC boom. People need a more hash rate than you under the liquid or water cooling can provide you more space for the overclockings. And also liquid cooling also allows the miners to easily replace the hashbots easily without changing the whole systems. So all this is in upcoming, in our perspective, upcoming very good trends. And furthermore, especially water cooling put in the liquid cooling put in the containers gives the miners the flexibilities and mobilities